Sephora.
Hi guys, I'm Maxime, international makeup artist with Hitta, and today I'm going to share with you some beauty tips on how you can look and feel more beautiful even if you have to stay at home at the moment. So let's get right into it. Today it's all about a great skincare routine. I'm going to go with some of my favorite of all time skincare. So I'm starting with the Abeille Royales Youth Watery Oil. So this one, you have to shake it a little bit before you use it. And I apply this first because it is truly a booster. Abeille Royale range, it's made with honey, royal jelly, so beautiful natural ingredients, of course, that gives you a great healing and repairing, but 10 years of science, right? So it's natural ingredients, but really clinical proven results. So oil first gives you a boosting effect for all of the rest of your skincare routine. You use just a few drops from your hand, and I'm gonna be applying from the center out. And then I will be doing a little bit of a massaging gesture with the fist closed. So I'm gonna go and grab the cheekbone muscle to really help create a lifting effect for this area. Okay, the zygomatic muscle, we need to challenge this little guy to create a lift. So the oil is a watery texture. So even if I feel like my skin is a bit more mixed or oily, there is no problem. This oil will really rebalance your skin, right? So pure honey and royal jelly. Also, I'm gonna be layering with the double R serum. So 2 R's for renew and repair. So the renewing effect is a really gentle peeling that will help to, get the skin turnover going, but also get the skin rid of all the dead cells and impurity, renews the texture, works also if you have some problems of pigmentation and really unevenness of the complexion, and intensive repair with pure honey royal jelly. So this is gonna boost cellular renewal as well. So for this one, just 1 or 2 pumps will really be enough for the whole face and neck. So you start for the chin and then you work your way onto your jawline, onto the cheekbones. Then I like to go on the forehead, around the nose, and like this. Okay, so you just really want to make sure that you apply minimal quantity of this morning and night, and your skin will be more smooth, more flawless, really repaired. So for me, this is the magic duo that I call, because you have my oil that is a booster and then a double R serum, so renew and repair. The skin is really revitalized after you've been using this for 7 days. And then of course we have a new product, which is the eye cream, which now I can't live without, because of course it's with my honey, my royal jelly, these beautiful ingredients, but in it I have gold pigments and micro pearls. So the gold and the micro pearls are really gonna create a beautiful radiance for the eye contour area. So I like to apply the eye cream all underneath, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it really has a beautiful glowing effect, and then you can go on top of your eyes. So morning and night, these 3 steps added into your routine, they will really boost your beauty routine. They will really give you a repairing and healing effect. It's great for prevention and corrections for all signs of aging also, and I find it's very comfortable. So I hope that this was really helpful. I hope that you're going to include some of these into your routine. And I thank you so much for watching today. And I invite you to tune in for the next beauty session for Guerlain's Beauty from the Inside.
Sephora, the unlimited power of beauty.